I absolutely love Station 9. I've been here 17 to 18 years, and I just love the neighborhood. I feel like I've grown up as a firefighter here, grew up with the neighborhood. I've known a lot of the kids that are now young adults. At this station, you're almost forced to be with each other, so the camaraderie here is really special, and I love that. This station number 9 will then close this station, and we're going to actually move, Station 9 will move to the Brandywine station, and that will be renumbered as Station 9.
2, 1.
I'm proud that we have continued to provide critical services and advance important projects like this in our city. And it's exciting that we have opened 2 new fire stations in 30 days.
First and foremost, it provides a much better and long overdue work environment for our firefighters. They work 24-hour shifts, and especially in this part of our community, they're extremely busy. They work all hours of the night. The city really went out of their way to help us locate the proper locations and find the property and make it fit. And here we are today.
Fire Station 5 and 9 were really in disrepair for many, many years. And with financial challenges that we were having as a city, we weren't able to really replace them. But thankfully, because of Measure P and the community who came out and supported it, we've been able to replace both fire stations in the communities that really need better response times. We were able to actually rebuild these fire stations and relocate them with ultimately the goal of getting to the calls faster.